Let's generate some text made out of milk here in Adobe Firefly and Illustrator. This was inspired from the Milka chocolate, and I'm gonna recreate it with my own brand name. So let's check out the process. So for the text, I'm gonna go with some liquid typo that I made. As you can see, it's really fluid, it's really liquid looking. So this is what you need to do as well. Select a liquid font, which is really curvy and wavy. So Adobe Firefly can adapt for that, but you can go with the Estrella font. It's a free font you can download. Now we're gonna go to Adobe Firefly. I'm gonna go with widescreen, content type photo, upload the image, and I'm gonna select the second version, click on open, continue, increase the strength all the way to 100%. Let's scroll down. I'm gonna select the hyper realistic, scroll down more. Here we got the light, select studio light, color and tone. I'm gonna select a vibrant colors. And let's go and type into the prompt, text made of milk spilled on purple table, isolated on purple background. There you go. Let's try out this first prompt. Click on try prompt. Whoops. So as you can see, I forgot to add the cookies. So it generated whatever the AI wanted to generate. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add surrounded with chocolate cookies. Let's try it out now. And here we got the first results. So the first looks pretty good. I think at 50% looks like milk. And if I go on, you can see it gets thicker. Now this already looks like some yogurt, especially this one. This could be pretty nice, but the milk is really thick. I'm gonna go ahead and generate some more. So it seems like it's generating like really thick milk. So this one is like thinner a little bit. Again, a thick one, and this one is pretty nice. It also added these crumbles, which I like. So I'm thinking to add also chocolate crumbles. Chocolate cookies and chocolate crumbles surrounding the text. Let's see what we're gonna get. It added the crumbles successfully. Now the milk is even more thicker and I'm really having a hard time with it. So I'm gonna try to improvise and add their text made of thin milk. Let's try this way. It is still generating this creamy text. I'm gonna change the thin with flat, generate. This actually looks pretty good, but the text is kind of messed up. So if you think about it, the milk is thick anyways. And what is thinner than milk? Well, it's water. But I can't type it in like water because it is going to give me something transparent. So I'm going to try it out with white water. Let's see what we're going to get. I don't know if these are like more flat. They kind of look like, but I kind of like this one. And you know what? I'm going to use this as a reference. I'm going to go to edit, use a style reference. And scroll down, I'm gonna decrease the strength and visual intensity. Let's try it this way. All right, so check this out. These actually got flat. I mean, the text doesn't look good, but it starts to come together. All of these are flat actually. So I'm gonna keep on generating a couple of more. Oh wow, we got another version with flat milk, you know, with thin milk. And check this out, guys. This came out successful. Now, it's kind of difficult to get what you want with AI because the AI mainly does what the AI wants. So your job is to coordinate the AI as much as possible if you can, but it's not an easy job. I'm going to generate another one. And again, check this out. It worked. Now you also can go and stylize it if you want. You can go to visual intensity, increase a little bit more. I'm going to go all the way up, generate. And now it made thick again, I knew it, but it looks good anyways. So anyways, this is how I generate text made of milk here in Adobe Firefly, and now you can see the process, how the prompt is crafted correctly. Thanks for watching.